So I've got my negative pressure massager here. Now this was gifted to me so I could go ahead and show you the features. If you've never experienced one of these, it's definitely worth a try. This is really good for and used for lymphatic drainage, scar adhesion release, also facial release, cellulite. I mean, it's got a lot of different functions. Now, depending on the body part that you're going to be using it on, it does come with a couple of different cups. They easily just snap on here on the back side here. You twist, and there you go. We'll demonstrate this here in a minute. On the front, we do have just a few buttons here. We've got our power button. When we hold that on here, you'll see it says import and face. If you hold the mode button down for just a second, it's going to change to lipo and body. Now, these do have red light and blue light therapy. You can access that by pressing the mode button a couple of times. The red light is good for 655 to 660 nanometers. The blue light is also good for 455 to 458 nanometers. And the way you would use this is you would just take the machine and just rub it around your face without the suction cups, because that's going to be in the body mode. So without the cups, you're just going to rub it around your face on the different parts of it, around those wrinkles and those fine lines that you want to work on. So it's very easy to use that way. And then there's also the body mode. You're just going to go ahead and put it into the body mode, pick the suction cup that you need to, and then put those on those parts and gradually glide it over the skin. What you would want to do is go ahead and get some body lotion to make it easier to go ahead and just move it across the body. And then also with the plus and minus button, you can go ahead and change the intensity too. And when you do have it in body mode, it does do a slight suctioning. That is the negative pressure. It's just a little bit of pulling on the skin, and then it just releases. That suction, my wife says it doesn't bother her skin at all. There's no pain whatsoever. It is small and compact, so she can take it where she's going on a road trip. We take it on vacations. And when you're not using it, you can just easily put it into a drawer. Now, it does come with a charging cord, and you're just going to plug it in the base right here at the bottom. Hope you found this review helpful.